Yes, we are live, cheating. Yes, Marcus Body Coding Live. New photo every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you excited? Today, cross complicado 2 and tab 7 together in a combo. So, first, think for yourself. Then, we'll practice together. No excuses. Let's go. Yes, let's do it together. Remember, no excuses. With me anywhere you are. Let's go. Yeah, anywhere we are. Are you ready? We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We cross. We open to the side. We cross to the back. And then we tap, tap, and tap. Yeah. Still weight on the left. Now the same with the right. We cross. We open. We cross to the back. Switching the weight. And tap, tap, tap. Yeah. The weight still on the right. Let's go again with the left. Cross. Step. Cross. Tap, tap, tap. With the right. Try it with me. Cross. Step. Cross. Tap, tap, tap. Yes. Now with the count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. With the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Give me one more time. Looking good. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You know what? Last time. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes, with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Yeah, this is the move. But you know what? You're still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. Are you ready? I want to see you. So let's do it face to face. Let's go. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Yeah. And practicing, of course. Again, starting with the left. Let's go. We cross. We open. We cross. And we tap, tap, and tap. Now with the right. Cross. Step. Cross. Tap, tap, tap. With the left again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You know what? Let's give some tip with the hands. Okay, do it with me. I'm gonna do this. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, with the tap. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now with the opposite hand, we go tap, tap, and tap. Yeah. Now with the right. 1, 2, 3. Tap, tap, tap. Again. 1, 2, 3. Opposite hand with the taps. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah. With the right. 1, 2, 3. Opposite hand. Down, down, down. You know what? Let's give you another tip. Are you excited? Let's go with another tip. Let's go. When we walk, we can look to the right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. Now we can switch the look. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. We make it a little bit dramatic. Yeah. It's a small thing, but it has an effect. Let's see it. We go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Yeah. We snap the hand when we go back. 1, 2, 3, and 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can do it to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You can play with the head. Yeah! Amazing or not amazing? This is the move of the day. Yes! The combination between cross complicado 2 and top 7. Yeah! You know what? Since you stayed till now, I have a surprise for you. You can check the link to the full tutorial above, below, to the sides. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yes, and search for these moves. Cross complicado 2, cross C 2, C for complicado, and top 7. And practice with me these moves in the studio for free, forever for free, anytime you want. But what do you care? You have this video, right? So you can go back and practice again, and then again, and then again. Remembering the repetition, 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 repetition is the mother of all skill. Yeah! So that's why it's a good idea to practice. And you know what? Even better, practice today. Yes, today! For another reason. What's the reason? Marcus, what's the reason? The reason is simple. Tomorrow, you have a new footwork. Learn today's footwork. Practice today's footwork. So you would be ready for tomorrow's new footwork. Because you have a new footwork every day. Every day, Marcus Boy Coding Live. New footwork. Every day. So, I guess I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Till then, have an amazing day.